Hey guys, this is going to be a short video. It's just a sort of slideshow to show you guys how I made this painting. So just for the quick disclaimer, this is by no means a tutorial. I know I'm not the best painter in the world, and this definitely isn't the best painting in the world, but it's just for me to document my progress, because I am trying to get better at painting. And this is actually one of the first paintings I've made since I've started to try to get better. So I'm just trying to keep track of my painting journey, and I'll do an episode maybe every 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and hopefully I can see my progress. I tried to make this sort of futuristic landscape with like a floating road and green mountains and stuff. So here I'm just taking some black paint and painting some of the background. I'm not sure if it was a good decision, but I tried to give the painting a little more contrast by this. And come on, you gotta admit, it is a really satisfying time-lapse. So then I got started on this city in the middle of the painting by just giving all of the buildings a different shade of yellow. I was trying to give it this sort of feeling like it was glowing. And after that I'm just using some white paint to paint over the lines between the buildings to try to contrast them. And then I am also using the white paint to paint some white lines around some of the other pieces in the painting and stars in the sky. I used some purple paint to give these, I don't even know what it are, these purple things, I guess, some sharper edge to make them stand out a little bit more. And then I used some more white paint to go around the edges of the trees. And I just tried to show that, to give the painting some more contrast and to make it a little bit prettier. I'm not sure if it worked, but we'll see. I'm actually quite happy with how this painting turned out. The tree isn't as realistic as I wanted it to be, but I'm happy how I used the different colors and how you can kind of see what it's supposed to be. I just hope I'll be able to get a lot better, because it's my dream to actually have this idea in my head and just be able to make it like that. So I hope one day I will be able to do that. But anyway, I love painting, it's so much fun, so it's also just something I really like to do. Well, anyways, thank you so much for watching, especially if you watched all the way to the end. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye!